Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm here to talk to you real quickly about Google Classroom and turning in screenshots while using Tinkercad. So, my friends, let's get cracking. So, the first thing I want to make sure you understand is that classwork is where you'll find the lessons. If you ever have a blue dot, that means you have not turned it in, and you need to make sure you click View Assignment, and you need to add the file, which will be a screenshot. We're not there yet though, because you have to have finished the project. So this video teaches you how to make these sweet little unicorns. This is the link to get to it. This is my actual finished project. You'll notice it has my name in it. It has all the cool things I added. Everybody's got cool features. I did crazy awesome stuff, and it was a lot of fun. Now that I'm all done with it, it's time to get a screenshot. Now, if we're at school, I've got a special tool that you use. Since we're not at school anymore, we can use the amazing Send To button. So first, get it so your screen looks just the way you want. Make sure you've got your name on it. Hit Send To, and then simply hit the Download Picture of your design button. It'll ask where you want to save it. I'm going to choose Save As. And it's going to go in my downloads folder. It's going to be called Unicorn Dude with my initials. If you've done it once before and you chose a different angle, just put a 2 after it. Once you've got that done, you may close that, go back to your project. You may hit Add. You may go to File. You need to select the file. Once again, you need to go up to your downloads folder and you need to find that file that you just saved. When you click Open, it will upload into this area. You finish with an upload, and then once you can see your image up here, you can click Turn In, and then the project is finally finished. If you ever give me one without the correct one, I will shoot you a note back saying, hey, I need that screenshot. So friends, that's as easy as it can be for you to get a screenshot while you're working in Tinkercad. Just an extra bonus, if you go to the bottom, you can invite me to actually look at your project by sending me a link as well, but it's best to send those via email. So friends, if you found this video useful, please give it a like. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.